Hello everyone. Through this video, let's know what adaptations are and how the animals like polar bear and penguins are adapted to live in extreme conditions of polar region. So let's start. What is adaptation? An adaptation is a characteristic which helps an organism to survive in its environment and live successfully in their habitat. Plants and animals must adapt so they can compete for resources. Some adaptations can help organisms to not get eaten, hide, control body temperature, or prevent water loss. An adaptation gives an organism a better chance of surviving in its environment. Let's know, how do penguins adapt? Penguins live in Antarctica, which is southern polar region and is extremely cold as it is covered with snow. Penguins are adapted to swim very fast and they have streamlined bodies for swimming. They have webbed feet for powerful swimming. Their bodies are streamlined. Their wings are shaped like flippers that help them to fly underwater. Penguins need to keep them warm as their habitat is Antarctica, which is extremely cold. They have very thick skin with a lot of fat stored under it that keeps them warm, providing insulation to their body. Penguins huddle together in groups of hundreds or thousands so as to keep them warm. Penguins have black feathers that absorb heat from the sun and keep them warm. Feathers of the penguins are tightly packed and overlap each other that provide waterproofing and warmth too. Arctic seas can be as cold as -2.2 degrees Celsius. Penguins are birds, but they don't have hollow bones. Waterproofing is essential for penguins in order to survive in cold water. Penguins have solid bones that enable them to stay under the water. So after penguins, let's study how polar bears are adapted for their habitat. The thick layer of fur is white that helps them to camouflage in the snow and easily catch their prey, as their prey are not able to detect them. So what basically camouflage is? When the color of the body of an organism is exactly same as of its surroundings. Polar bears also have thick layer of fur which gives them warmth. Polar bears have very large wide paws that help them to walk on the snow. Their fur coat is very greasy that sheds water easily after swimming and keeps them warm. Polar bears have an excellent sense of smell that helps them to find their prey. Hibernation. Hibernation can be seen in polar bears. So what basically hibernation is? It's a deep sleep to save energy. Animals in the polar region mostly hibernate like polar bear. That is, they go into deep sleep for months and come out only during the summers. Some animals migrate to warmer areas and come back in summer season. So these kind of adaptations can be seen in the animals which live in polar regions. Thanks for watching.